Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie, sitting right off camera to make sure I don't screw up. Although she actually likes when I screw up because she makes fun of me. So if you see any text going across the bottom of the screen during this video, those come from Sophie as she edits, and she likes to poke fun at me. Okay, today's video, we're actually going to get back to food. We haven't done a food one in a while, which is actually the main focus of this channel, so I'm going to try to do that a lot more. And as you know, if you watch these, I'm a huge Walt Disney fan. I'm actually a Walt Disney fan before I am a Disney fan. I know it sounds kind of confusing, but Walt Disney first, then Disney. Yeah, because lately, some of the stuff the company's doing, I'm not 100% on board with. Number one being the Rivers of America being taken out of the Magic Kingdom. I think it's an awful idea. We ride the Liberty Bell and go to Tom Sawyer Island on every trip. I mean, I know a lot of people don't do that, but we do. So for my family, it's really sad. But there's a lot of things, but hopefully that won't happen. I heard it hit a snag, something, I don't know, it got turned down or something. I don't know. Anyway, so today's video, I wanted to do a Walt Disney themed video again because Walt Disney's my favorite person who ever lived. So Walt Disney likes simple foods. He liked for breakfast, eggs and toast, lunch, sandwiches, soups, salad, coffee. Always had coffee for lunch. And he also liked canned chili. I've never had canned chili before in my life. So I thought I would have the canned chili that Walt Disney likes. So he would actually mix a can of Dennison's chili with a can of Gebhardt chili. Now, I found Dennison's canned chili. Unfortunately, they don't make Gebhardt in a can anymore. So I found seasoning, Gebhardt chili seasoning. So I'm going to put some of that in the Dennison's, mix it around and try it. So we'll see. But I'll tell you what, if Walt Disney liked it, can't be that bad. They actually said he would take cans of chili to restaurants when he would go out and ask the kitchen to heat it up for him. And it's crazy. I've never had canned chili, but obviously I have to try it now because that was one of Walt Disney's favorite meals was canned chili. And he would always have it with V8 juice too, which almost seems like overkill. You know what I mean? A chili and a glass of V8. I don't know if I don't have any V8. I'm not going to do that, but I will be making the chili. So we'll see. But yeah, this is in honor of Walt Disney. I'm going to try Walt's favorite canned chili, Dennison's and Gebhardt. All right, so it is now time to try this. I didn't really know how much chili powder to use. I just kind of threw some in. So this is not going to be exactly what Walt had. It's going to be close enough. And once again, I've never had canned chili, so I'm a little nervous. All right, so let's try it. Okay, here we go. And I did not have any sour cream or cheddar, but I don't think Walt Disney used that. He did use crackers, though. He always carried crackers around his pocket. Oyster crackers. I didn't have those either. All right, here we go. Not a lot of flavor. It's kind of, I mean, maybe I should have added more of the Gebhardt spice. It's not awful though. Not terrible. I will say that it is kind of bland, but see, Walt Disney liked bland foods. That's the thing. That's what he grew up on. So that would make sense. So yeah, I'm not, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. If you want to eat like Walt, you know, obviously get some. And I probably will eat this again just because Walt Disney enjoyed it. I will say very bland, not a lot of spice. The Gebhardt's probably added a little bit. I feel a little kick right now. But yeah, you know, basically not as good as your homemade. But if you're in a pinch, you need to do something quickly, have a quick dinner. This will be perfect. And once again, if it was good enough for Walt Disney, it should be good enough for us, right? Alrighty, well there you have it. Not terrible, not terrible. I'll give it maybe a 4 out of 10. I've never had canned chili. Very interesting. I was very curious what this would taste like. All right, well that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button. It really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. And also, you should hit the notification bell because you'll know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.